So the first step for your late labs, it's gonna be having your stock material. So you're gonna use around 7 inches. So you're gonna need first to coat, let's play it safe, just 8 inches of this rod. You're gonna have the details in the lab description and also in the blueprints. Okay, so you're gonna need to just to place the material in this position. Try to make it around that part. If you have a longer rod, you could use this to give support to the stock material. So in this case, this is what you have, and you're gonna crank this knob over here just to close it. Okay, we have it here. Tighten a little bit, and then bring the saw. Do not drop it. Let it come. And just check that it's about that position. Okay, close. That's about it. Okay, so the next step is for you to turn it on. And that's it. That would be the first step for your lab. So we're going to work based on this, and we're going to cut the different parts that you have in the blueprints from this rod. Okay?